Have you been longing to start your Etsy shop and you are tired of trying to figure out what niche to start in? One of the best selling niches on Etsy is the wedding niche. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 7 different products that you can create today and put on your Etsy shop and start selling. If you don't yet have an Etsy shop, you can click on this video where I'm showing step by step how to create your Etsy shop. And so my overcomers, after watching this video, you should be able to have your shop that is up and running. All the things that I'm going to be showing you, they are skills that you can take and transfer to other products. And so within this video, I'm going to be telling you other products that you can create that are best selling products in the wedding niche that you can create and also put in your shop. So overcomers, what are you still waiting for? I want to encourage you, my dear. Remember, by the end of this year, we want to all have at least 5 different sources of income. So my overcomer, as a sign of encouragement for everything I'm doing on this channel, please just help me and give this video a thumbs up so that it can be shared to many other people. To those who are not yet overcomers, I want to encourage you to subscribe and become a part of the family. So I'm going to be showing you how to create different templates. And the way it works is that when you post your products on Etsy, your customers will be able to edit it. For example, if it's a wedding invitation, they'll be able to change the name, edit whatever thing that they want to edit, and then they can use it. So I'm going to be showing you how to create a wedding invitation. I'm going to be showing you how to create a wedding table number. I'm going to be showing you how to create a welcome sign. I'll also show you how to create a save the date. Then I'll also show you how to create a thank you card. I will show you how to create an RSVP card, and I will also show you how to create like a wedding menu. So when you learn how to create all of these, my overcomers, you have the skills to be able to create many different things that you can put on your shop. So before you start, I will encourage you to just go to Etsy and maybe type like wedding invitation and then like just see an idea. Let me just show you something. So if you go to etsy.com, you type say wedding invitation, and then you see there are just so many different wedding invitations, right? There are just so many wedding invitations. These are amazing ideas. So let's assume that this is the wedding invitation we're making. I'm just showing you an example. And look at how many reviews that they have. Let's just go to this shop. I just want to show you something. So you see how the shop is. Look at the shop. Look at here. You will see how they have different items. Even with the wedding invitation, see, they have different wedding invitations. So you can just learn this idea and then you can make like so many wedding invitations and put on your shops, maybe with different colors, different designs. You see, they have save the date. They have different things, bridal shower. They have so many things that you can go on Etsy and just check and see what other shops are doing and how you can start and grow your own shop. So I want us to go to canva.com. If you don't have Canva, please, you can use my link down below and sign up to Canva. So let's start by creating a wedding invitation. So let's go to create, customize. Make sure you change to inches. So the standard size is 5 by 7. So now the first thing that I want us to do is to click on it and maybe just change the color. You can change the color like this. Go to element, type like watercolor flower border. So just something that you can put on the borders, and then you search and search. So let's say we take this flower. The reason I like this one because you can change the color. Let's say that you can come here. If I want to change any of this color, I can come here, change it to whatever I want it to be. So after I change the color, I can duplicate it. Then I can come here and flip it and then just bring it to this other side. I can duplicate it again and put it here. Just flip it so that it fits there. Then I can duplicate it, bring it this other way, and also flip it. And another way you can flip it is you can just put your cursor here and turn it around and put it like this. Make sure you watch the video to the end because I'm going to be showing you how you can save the template in a way that customers will be able to make changes to it. So at this point, we can go to text, put a text here, and then type something inside. And come here and change the font. So you come here and take another text. You can put the man, their name, let's say love, and then you can bring it, say here, and then let's change the font. Then you can just copy that and bring it here for the other person's name. Let's say peace, and then We can duplicate it again and just put like an. So centralize it. So we can just go to text again, take another text. Together with their families, love and peace invite you to their wedding ceremony. So we can come here to template and take like a frame. We can take a frame like this and just reduce the size. So you can come back to element and type like wedding flowers, just something like that. And then maybe we can take this, duplicate it and maybe put on the other side. You can come to element and then you type couples and then go to photos and see if there's any picture that you like. Let's say we take this one and just put inside there. Let's centralize it. So the next thing I want us to do is to come to element and then type line. So we can take this line and just bring it down here. Then let's duplicate it and put it like this. Make sure you align it. And then come to text and let's put start today. We can increase the size and just make it to fit inside here. Now we can copy all of this and just bring it this way. Make sure it aligns with the line so that it looks good. So we can just put like the time here. So the next thing that we can do is to come here again to text. Just change the font. So we can just put here June. Then copy this. Bring it right here. Let's say June 15. And then bring this here. 2023. Something like that. So the next thing we have to do is to put the address. So we can just come here and duplicate this and then bring it down. So the last thing that we have, we just have to put down here that reception follows after that. So after making some adjustments, and this is what I ended up with, I also changed the couple. So this is our invitation now. The next thing we are going to be doing is welcome to our wedding sign. So let's just use templates and so that it will be easier, but you can still create it from scratch just as we did the wedding invitation. So let's just type welcome to our wedding and then search. Look for whatever you like. Most of the ones that I always see have something like this. So let's go with this. I like this welcome. So let's customize. We don't necessarily need to use this. So what I normally do is that every time, I'm sure if you've watched other of my videos, you will see that I always just create a new page. Then I come here to design and then I'll see the other designs that are here. So remember, this is Canva. You can't just take anything like this. And then let's make some changes. So when we are here, we can type something like wedding flower again, whatever flower that you want. So we can take this out and then maybe we can exchange it with this. Just turn it around. We can change the name back to love and peace. And then we can copy that and duplicate it. Bring it down. Let's flip it around. So that is how easy you can make a welcome to our wedding sign. Just go to Etsy, search and see other signs and just have an idea how you can design yours. So another thing that you can have on your shop is a thank you card where after the wedding, people are going to share it to those who came to their wedding and, you know, thanking them for everything that they did. So what you can do is that you can still design it from scratch, and the easiest way also is to still go to Canva and type thank you wedding cards. These are different samples that you can take one and customize, and you can have like 10 different thank you cards on your shops. Just different varieties, different ways. For example, you can take this one that has a picture, you design it. You can take this one and just redesign it and make it to, you know, and customize it, making sure that you are not taking exactly what is on Canva. You can just take different thank you cards. You can just take a simple design like this one and just fix it and tweak it and make it, but make sure that you are making changes on the card. Another design that we are going to make is save the date. So let's go back to our card. So at this point, you can still come here and then change the color inside here however you want it to be. Let's say you want something like that, and then you can come to element, type, let's say floral wrap, then search here, choose any design that you want.
Even now, when time has passed, I owe you. ourselves to try. And even now, when we are old, stay in my heart, 'cause I wanna know how to move on.
So if we want to put pictures again like we did before, we can come here and just go to frame. Let's say we want to put a round one this time around, something like this. And then we can go and take a picture inside wedding. We can take like a couple and then we put it inside like that. So that's just an idea. You can develop it now and then make it however you want it to be. So the next thing I want to show you how to make is table number. So let's go to customize and let's make sure it's on inches. The standard size is 4 by 6. Let's create. So we can come to text. Let us change the font. So you can come to element and put something like border. And then let's go to see all. Let's see all the different kind of borders that they have. So we can take something like this, put it here.
It's been a while since we laid down to reflect upon it all.
And then we can change the color. So that is all about our table number. So if we want to print it, we can just come here to download and make sure that it's print PDF. So that is how our table number is going to look. So the next thing that we are going to do is wedding menu. We can just still come here and just put wedding menu. And then go ahead and just search. Just go ahead and search and then customize it how we did the other ones. So you can also look at the ones that are here and then make it from scratch. Or you can just have an idea. Or you can go to Etsy, look at other ones, look at best-selling ones and see the designs that you like. You can create it from scratch just using ideas from what we've been doing. Another easy thing that you can just make and put alongside on your shop is the RSVP. Just come here also and also search for RSVP and do enter and just see. Voila, there are just so many different templates here that you can seek ideas from, you can take ideas from, and then you create your own RSVPs. So because this video is getting too long, I don't want to keep designing, but you have the idea now, overcomers. With all these ideas, you can create so many different things. Other things that you can create, you can do like anything regarding batch eve, you know, games for wedding, games for bachelor eve. You can also do things like t-shirt, print on demand t-shirts, which I'm going to be showing you how to also make on this channel. You can also do print on demand t-shirt for like the wife, the husband, you know, the groomsmaid, the bridal train, all those kind of things. If you have a wedding shop on Etsy, those are so many different things that you can put on that shop. Now that you are done designing your template, it is time for you to share it with a clickable link. So the first thing that you have to do, let's say you want to share this wedding invitation, the first thing that you have to do is to go to your share button. So when you go to share button, make sure that you don't click this link, because when you click this link and then you share it, people will be able to edit your document. So you go to this one that says template link. So that's where you have to click and copy. But if you don't see it, because if you have not used it before, you will not see it. You just click here and then you can come here and then just type template. As you start typing, you'll be able to see it. So you click on this link now, and this is the link you have to share. So you copy it. You can paste it somewhere that you have access to at any other time. So when you are done with that, you go to file and then click here, create new design, and then just start typing like US. So you click on the first one that says US letter document. So when you click there, so now you go to text and just take a text, and you can put anything like thank you for your purchase, thank you for your order, whatever you want to put. So then also put a subtext. And I always just like to put like for any inquiry, for any question, contact me, and then you put your email address. The next thing that we have to do is to create like a button. So you can click on this shape and then just arrange it and put something like, you can put something like download your template here or anything that you want to put. So then you can change the color, make your design. I like to put bright colors. So another way you can easily design it is to go to effect and just go here to background, click on it. Then now go to this one that says roundness and just pull it. It will make it to have that same shape. And now you can just scroll down and change the color to whatever color you want. So the next thing now, you just highlight it, and when you highlight, you will see this link. You click on it. So paste the link that we had copied here and then just click enter. And when you click enter, you are done. So you can go to share. Make sure that you download the document as a print. Look at, you go here, make sure you are taking PDF print, then you download. So when you download it, you can open the document. So this is the document you are going to share on Etsy. When customers buy, they'll have this link. So when they click on it, then it will bring them here, and they can now go to use template. And so when they use the template, they'll be able to make changes to this document. So Overcomers, congratulations. I'm so proud of you. May God help you to start designing, to start creating your shop. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you must have learned a lot. I pray that God will help you. He will give you the grace so that you can start your Etsy shop. Or if you already have your Etsy shop, so that you can populate it with these wedding niches ideas. Thank you so much, my Overcomers. Love you all so much. Bye-bye.
It's been a while since we stumbled out, since you dragged me out from the dark. Even now, when time has passed,